In this video, we're going to show you how to install the coolant expansion tank on your Ford Focus located under your hood. With the hood open, you can go ahead and locate your coolant reservoir on the passenger side of the engine bay. It's going to be two 10mm bolts. Loosen and remove those. Save these, we're going to be reusing those. Follow the hose over here to the port on the side of the radiator neck, and we're going to go ahead and twist this off. Now you might lose a little bit of coolant from here, but not enough to really make it a concern. Good, grab the unit, lift it up. There's a little tab down here that attaches to the motor mount. It's just pushed onto a stud. Just pull that up. And it's just held on right here using these little tabs, these three tabs. There's no nut securing this in place. Let's go ahead and drop this into position. We want to go ahead and lower this lower tab onto the engine mount stud here. Push it down. Let's go ahead and install our two 10mm bolts. Now just going to gently snug these down. Just seat those. And go ahead and install our expansion tank hose here. Just have to position the hose a little bit different. Install that. And then of course we can go ahead and fill up our reservoir. Open up the cap. Use a clean funnel. And then use the appropriate coolant to fill up that tank. Once you're filled up, go ahead and remove that. Put your cap on, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.